masasabi ko sa kanya?
Happy birthday po, Pangulong Duterte. We love you.
Koreans going home 1, 2, 3 a.m. in the morning, walking home. Here I am, I'm still alive, never been robbed, never been stabbed. So, Duterte all the way. Birthday, Tatay Dig. Samingaw na minin mo. Ang best tatay ever.
Atin ko na user, nagbago siya.
Very good.
Of all the president, even president in the world, he is the best. He is quite unique. Para sa akin, nag-iisa lang ang Duterte.
Kahit ano din Tatay Digong na bunganga niya, pero ang sa loob niya, ang laki. Nasaan si ano?
Baka punta pa kami, we need really a leader like you na nagkakaroon kami ng spiritually strong ba na nabubuhay yung aming pagka-Pilipino because of you. Ayun na masasabi ko. Saka happy birthday, Tatay. Happy 80th. You deserve all the love and support from DDS.
Happy birthday, Tatay Digong! Laban lang, laban!